It's unlocked. Oh, hey.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Trick or treat.
Welcome.
Alright, what is up, guys? Today we are officially at Adam LZ's house. We stayed the night here and we're hanging out. He's putting us to work. And what are you up to, Adam?
Just burning some rubber. You know. But
Adam was generous enough to let us stay the night and hang out for the day. So we're just, you know, doing a nice break on the way up. It's always nice to see your homies. And we're working on this thing. This thing's pretty cool. Adam's really making me want a 350Z. How you doing, Donald?
I'm doing great.
You doing great?
Yeah, it's a good day.
All right, guys. So today we're gonna spend the afternoon basically getting Adam's 350Z right. There's a few maintenance things we gotta do. Then we're gonna go and probably play with this 240 and stuff later. You're doing great, Adam.
Yeah, I'm running on propane though.
All right, guys. We just got that 350Z right. Did the belts, did a bunch of bushings and everything. Got a sticky caliper, we'll figure it out, but we're here, we're having a good time. We're gonna head down to Adam's warehouse soon so I can go shopping and steal a few things, but Adam's got a lot of cars. Every little piece of this car I want so bad.
Every pizza I want. Let's go get food.
Let's go get food.
I'm hungry. You gotta drive my 240.
In the Stang. Get back there. Get your ass back there.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Laser alert.
We got ops in the area.
Oh my
God!
That's a thing?
Alert.
That's hilarious. So my camera triggers the radar detector. That sucks. That sucks big time.
She hasn't been out of hiding in a while, Jimmy.
Taking her out for you. Woo-wee. She's a lot more yellowy, like banana-y.
Oh yeah, you haven't seen the new color, huh?
Nah, she was more cream. Now she's like a banana smoothie.
She's a dirty girl right now. She's all dirty.
Right?
Right. Duh.
Banana boys.
Banana. That's good. Push, 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 push.
Push!
You Dota!
We had the pop start it. It was dead. It's so loud.
I have to keep the revs up, otherwise
The 85 smells so good. Well, it's not raining. This should be fun. We're in the LZ warehouse.
We made it.
Let's go shopping.
Let's do it.
I'll take these. A couple of those. Oh, perfect. I'll take this home with me too. No way. Ooh! Mobile Slavin. A mobile Slav squat.
Wait.
The future is now. Adam's gonna go get a little nene with it. He's gonna see if his drift spares are too sticky or not.
Jimmy wants to do some donuts, but I have like my car super gripped up from the last event, so I just want to make sure it's not gonna like understeer into the curb.
I'm a little tall in here. So much power now that it's like not even fun to drive in the rain. Usually like that's insane. I can't wait to drive in the grip. That felt good. That was like the first time I even like
you're killing it, but it's weird. You see how it's just like
donut,
whop,
yeah.
whop.
It points and shoots. That's the first time I even like went sideways in like months. That's so exciting. I want to drift. God damn it. Freaking Florida, man. Ruined all the fun. Behind the scenes, Adam LZ, this dude has like 40 sets of wheels. You might not know because they're always on the car, but I mean, they're everywhere. It's a warehouse. It's a tire warehouse. You're insane. Adam hooked us up with some clothing, of course. Thank you, Adam.
Thank you.
Hashtag ad, hashtag sponsored.
Until next time. I get to drive the Mustang.
Don't mind running the dumpster. That'll be dope. Hey, just watch out. I'm gonna do a donut and then pass you.
So guys, of course, Adam's vlogging, so I'm not gonna try and vlog in the same day. So we're a little shot in footage, but I don't know. I think tonight we're playing with Adam's S13. We're gonna try and take a dent out. If you guys haven't, his video will probably be up before mine, but we're gonna play with his VR simulator drifting, and I'm so excited for it. So we'll see how that goes.
What are we gonna do with these? Why are these balls here?
I guess you'll have to watch Adam's video to find out. On the MTV Cribs, check out my bitchin' cabinet. What? What?
What kind of cereal do you want? We got.
I heard you like cereal, so I got your cereal.
Stack. Oh, you got Pepsi, Coke, some onions, some snacks. Oh, you gotta have the Thin Mints. Like, come on, Thin Mints.
The funniest thing is the LZs are probably the healthiest, like, diet-friendly couple I know, and they have so many snacks.
Well, cereal. Oh, the Cheetos. Oh my lord.
All right.
Very good. Good check.
You're not that healthy.
You're healthy.
And who eats all the snacks?
She goes, I'm not healthy. She just, what are you you were just working out.
Working out.
I guess we do buy most of the snacks for the friends that are always over.
100%. And then Nicole will occasionally eat like half a cookie or like a handful of cereal.
That's not true.
That's so true.
That's not true.
Exposed.
They're great hosts.
They're great hosts. Adam's house. I'm obsessed with this garage. This is all goals, but we were messing around with Adam's 240. You guys didn't see it in his video. As you guys know, he has a little giveaway card going on right now where he's actually giving away this Cream Z. So if you guys haven't entered that yet, make sure you go enter it. It's on lzbmx.com, or I think it's LZMFG now. But whoever gets this card wrote a little message on it. What is, oh my god. I've seen this on camera before. This looks ridiculous in person. It's working.
We got a couple tandems in and then
I'm so excited to try this. This is insane. This is just a random lobby that Adam's just tanning with people around the world.
That is so cool.
sorry, friend.
What the heck?
Wow. This guy's really good at doing nice skill beat run for me to follow.
Yeah, this guy is doing really good.
Alright guys, first VR experience.
What are you about to do?
Crash a car 100 times. This is terrifying.
Do you feel like you're actually gonna crash?
Just go slower than you think.
Oh wow, I have to go a lot slower.
Well, the car has a lot of grip.
That was actually
Wow.
really scary. Are you kidding me? Oh, there we go. Hot boys. That was going so well.
This thing is really cool.
I think this
Jimmy's like addicted to it. It's really dope.
broke it. I guess I broke it. Adam, I'm sorry. I don't know.
Did you like stop on a gas pump?
No, I was being gentle. I don't know what happened.
I don't care.
It was probably Donald.
It's so finicky.
Probably me.
It's DJ's time.
We're in. It's got a vape holder.
Adam, VR came with a vape holder? Alright guys, everything on the screen is what Donald is looking at. You doing alright? DJ can't handle VR.
Dude, the car's moving. God, this is fucking insane.
Alright, let's see a lot, Donald.
I can't do this. It makes you really dizzy.
DJ Gloves is gonna try again. I think he's ready this time. You ready?
Wait, if I can find the gas. Son of a bitch. Shut the steering wheel off. It's got a mind of its own. Is it still going? Shut it off. I didn't even do anything. I put it in reverse and tried to put it in gear and like go out.
Well, we just broke it again. Adam's sleeping, so I guess that's the end of it.
What the fuck?
I'm so sorry.
Finicky. Like Adam said, it's finicky.
At least it's ice cream time.
True. Ben & Jerry's makes everything better.
Look at this LZ fridge check.
Look at these. These are, oh, not peanut butter. The caramel ones are, oh my god, they're so fucking good. But Ben & Jerry's fish food, can never go wrong with fish food.
All right, guys. I guess that's it for today. It's pretty late. Adam,
Not late.
It's like 1 o'clock in the morning.
Wait. Oh, it is 1. That's not late. We went that at 3.
Yeah. But okay, so Adam and Nicole going to sleep. They actually have breakfast plans really early tomorrow morning, so we're just gonna sleep in and let them do that. But today was our day with Adam LZ. Of course, I didn't film too much today because I was letting Adam basically, we were, doing his thing because I'm on his time. So it's really awesome to see Adam. I don't get to see him enough. And today was fun. Today was a really good time. Hope you guys liked today's vlog, just like casual, general stuff. We'll be back. I think we'll be heading back home probably tomorrow, which means we'll go back to the normal stuff in like 2 days. And we have a crap ton of parts waiting for us. So we'll have plenty of build content coming soon. And I couldn't be more excited. But as far as that goes, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. That's it. I don't know. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And DJ?
Have a great... No, I want to do that over. Wait. Cut this out, this part.
Okay.
Have a great fucking night.